Hello and welcome to another unboxing on my channel. Today with Rebirth for You, Hololive. And yeah, I didn't plan to open another Rebirth for You TCG box because yeah, I can tell from the first box I've opened, I have already forgotten the name of the TCG or of the franchise. I have no idea. It was some waifu stuff. But yeah, in general, I wasn't a big fan of the card style, the framing of the cards. But hear me out, and there should be one card guaranteed in this box, some kind of extended or full art version card, and they are so beautiful. I've seen some unboxings, so I hope it's true. Maybe they were just lucky, but from my perspective, it looked like there is one big hit guaranteed per display. And even if I'm not even a big Hololive fan, to be honest. Like, yeah. So they are just so beautiful. The same was with the Weiss Schwarz Hololive. I don't like the general design of most of the cards, but the signature cards from Weiss Schwarz Hololive, they were so beautiful too. I didn't manage to pull one, of course, because my luck with Weiss Schwarz is just bad. But yeah, let's see how the cards are. So yeah, as I said, I just don't like the general card design. At the moment when I record this, the first Rebirth for You unboxing isn't even online. I have recorded it like months ago, but I just always rescheduled it. So, but yeah, when you see this unboxing, the first one should be online, of course. So yeah, I just, I don't know. Maybe you have commented under my first video what you think about the card framing and the card design, but I just don't like it so much. And yeah, we have some. Oh, but this is cute. We have yeah, again, this shatter foil effect. It's not bad. Especially good is that it's only in the background. The character is on a whole different layer of the card, and it's not holographic or textured. Yeah, very cute. I like that. These artworks that look more like drawn instead of like computer generated. Remember that there were a lot of boring artworks in the Weiss Schwarz Hololive box. They were so, I don't know. I don't care. Just yeah, they were not very beautiful in my eyes. Oh, but this is beautiful. Yeah, as I said, I am not even into Hololive or in the VTuber scene a lot, but some character designs have some things. Yeah, and this reminds me of the art design from Weiss Schwarz. They were all like this. It feels like, with a few exceptions, or like this. Very, very boring to me. But yeah, I like these. Especially the last card in the pack. What kind is the P rarity? The partner? Okay, it's the partner card. Yeah, the partner cards, they are very beautiful in my eyes. But these are not the big hit that I was talking about in the beginning. Man, I really hope I pull something very beautiful. Because yeah, all of the unboxing I've seen, I've seen in the past month, they were so nice, the big hits. And oh, yeah, this is it. This is the big hit for the box, as I said. But yeah, it's like the same artwork, but in a bigger dimension. It's more like zoomed in. Has a different kind of foiling. Yeah, I really like, even if I don't care, I don't care. I don't know the character. I care about the character now, but I don't know the character. I have to look this up after the unboxing, but these extended art or full art, I have no idea how you can call it, but these are so beautiful in my eyes. But yeah, there are so many beautiful full art cards. But I don't think I will open more just for the one hit, because I really don't expect. Okay, this is a triple rare. Okay, has this gold stamped border. Sweet. But yeah, I don't think we get more than this hit. The rest of the cards shouldn't be textured. Or maybe there's a very small chance. Oh, another triple rare, Water Splash. Yeah, maybe there's a very small chance for some kind of secret rare hit, but I don't count on this. Oh, again, heart-shaped hands. And then we have again these boring artworks, of course. Oh, another triple rare. Yeah, they don't have some kind of holographic sparkle effect or anything. It's just a bit plain holographic, but still with the framing and the gold. The border is gold stamped. Maybe I forgot to mention it, but I think you can really, yeah, you can feel the gold on the border. Oh, another cute artwork. 2 packs left. So yeah, but because I found V-Cross and ZX Zillions, I don't plan to continue. Oh, it's an Echo Girl. I don't plan to continue opening Rebirth for you. Maybe if they release a Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid set, but I don't think they will do that. Really don't expect it, but maybe we get lucky and some kind of bunny girl. Very nice artwork. It's a double rare. And we have another, it's an RE. And it has some kind of texture in the background. Like the symbols are, yeah, very subtle but textured. Some kind of group picture with, I know this is Minato Aqua, but I cannot tell who the rest is. But yeah, I think these extended artworks are very beautiful. And yeah, let me know in the comments what do you think about this set. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you in my next unboxing. Bye.